You're suing the defendant because he ruined your world-famous lawn? I've never heard of this lawn.
A neighborhood rivalry turns ugly, and a man's prized yard is destroyed.
One day my lawn is perfect. The next thing I know, brown spots.
But this guy says he didn't do it because he was partying in Ibiza at the time.
But his sobriety isn't on trial today.
All rise.
This is Lawn Court, with Judge Deborah Samstone presiding.
Let's not waste any more time, boys. I'm getting dollar margaritas after this.
You ruined my lawn. Now I'm out for justice.
You don't scare me. I've been prostituted before.
Lawn desecration. Tell me that's a misprint. Fine. What's this all about?
Oh, I can tell you.
No, not you. You're the defendant. Are you eating snacks? There are no snacks in court.
Where are you on that one, man?
Now, who's filing the complaint?
Your Honor, let me start by saying the lawn outside, beautiful. As Jim's attorney, we are of one mind. We're symbiotic.
This is your lawyer?
Is it too late to represent myself, Your Honor?
Penal Code 6572, Section B, states that you can get 10 years in federal prison for desecrating premium zoysia. What kind of man messes with another man's lawn? Someone unfit for society. That is who.
Bullshit.
The prosecution has prepared exhibits, evidence, more evidence.
Wrap it up, lawn boy.
We have a ton of stuff, guys. Why do you think Tad did this to you?
Tad's always been jealous of my cars, my lawn, my income, heck, my shoe size.
Right. And you ordered the Scott's program, correct?
Indeed.
And for those of you that don't know, the Scott's program customizes a plan specifically for your lawn. Go online and you put in information like the type of soil you have, your tree canopy, rain exposure, and it got delivered to you. And when it got delivered, you weren't there,
That is correct.
and you think he might have stole it.
Well, I know what happened because I have video proofs right here. Can we cue this up? I mean, Tad stole it.
Let's talk about this.
I don't even know why he would steal it. It says Zoysia right there on the bag. It's from my yard. He's got St. Augustine. How does he even work with that?
He's such a rookie. God, I don't even think he can read.
Yeah, I wouldn't want Tad in my neighborhood. I wouldn't want him in my block. Tad is an abomination. The HOAs ban people like Tad.
He doesn't even have a single grass stain on his white mowing shoes. You can't trust a person like that. Who trusts a person like that?
You can.
Jim. I mean, the guy uses and is endorsed by Scott's. What more do you need to know about his character? And Tad? Tad wears a pleather tie to court.
State your name, sir.
I'm Omar.
What do you do, Omar?
I work in construction. I'm also a lifestyle influencer.
Lifestyle influencer? What's that?
I influence. That's what influencers do.
Okay, tell me a little more about what you saw the date of this incident.
Well, I saw a guy walking up to the lawn with a blowtorch, wearing a leather jacket. I thought that was weird. It was spring. Well, before I knew it, he just went to town on that grass. He was just torching it. Fire everywhere, grass. It got really ugly.
Was he smiling?
Yeah, I think he was.
Okay, show me, what did his face look like?
You know, eyes wide.
Judge, you earlier said no one died in this case, but clearly a lawn was killed. That's a living organism. I would like to push for a death penalty on this.
Watch yourself.
True or false, you are known as the king of crabgrass.
False.
What do you call this? On IG. Who is that? And look, you liked it?
That could be anyone's lawn.
Substain, Your Honor. Substain. Jury, please notice Exhibit A. Exhibit A.
If the garden gloves don't fit, then you must acquit. Dude, damn it, that was my whole case. I mean, the defense rests.
Oh, Your Honor, quick time out. We just had this made. Look, The chips he was eating earlier today match up to the chips that were on the lawn. Smoking gun, smoking gun. This is a smoking gun. Red blood.
I wish I could fine you both, to be honest with you. But I'm going to side with the plaintiff. Defendant will pay all lawn costs for a year and cannot step within 50 feet of the plaintiff's lawn. Yes. What a joke. Jury dismissed.
Fake news. That's all this verdict is.
This is the best outcome for my client, for Scots, and for lawn enthusiasts nationwide.
When you mess with another man's lawn, you're gonna pay. And Tad did.
I mean, look, we garnished his wages.
I'll take this all the way to the Supreme Court if I have to.
You know, we got this win a few minutes ago. I've already gotten calls on a book deal, working on it already.